Town, where state health officials confirm a person has died from Eastern Equine Encephalitis, or EEE. The man in his 70s is now the state's second death from EEE this season. Eyewitness News reporter Sheena Loshuto is live in Freetown tonight with what we're learning. Sheena.
Well, we've seen the impacts of EEE around southern New England. Now it's hitting home for the people of Freetown. We just spoke to the town's health agent. Now officials can't really get into how long this person had the virus or when they contracted it, but they are telling us tonight this is an unfortunate reminder of just how real the risk is. According to the health department, this is the 10th human case of EEE here in Massachusetts this year. Freetown is on the list of communities that are in critical risk of the virus.
This weekend's going to be really warm, so as much as it would be nice to have the short sleeves on, if you're going to be outside doing any activities, really should have the long sleeves and the long pants on. You really need to use the bug spray with the DEET, especially if you're doing anything outside, especially dusk till dawn, but anytime during the day. If you're going to be outside doing anything, you really need to protect yourself.
Now, according to town officials, there will be aerial spraying being done here over the weekend, and officials just want to remind you to always carry bug spray with DEET with you if you are going to be outside. I'll have much more on the community impact coming up new at 6. For now, reporting live in Freetown, I'm Sheena Loshuto, Eyewitness News.
A second person in the Commonwealth has died from Eastern Equine Encephalitis, or EEE. The victim, a Freetown man in his 70s, is the 10th person to be infected and second to die in Massachusetts from this mosquito-borne illness this season. Eyewitness News reporter Sheena Loshuto is live in Freetown tonight with more from the town's health agent. Sheena.
Well, health officials are reminding us this is a painful reminder that the risk for EEE is very real. They are urging people to protect themselves, carry bug spray, wear layers, do whatever you can. Now, Freetown is considered a critical risk area for the virus EEE, according to the Department of Health. Right now, officials aren't releasing when the victim contracted the virus or who he is. They are, though, assuring the public that the town will have aerial spraying done here tonight.
We've been dealing with this situation, unfortunately, for almost 2 months now. We've been extremely proactive in what we have been able to do to this point. It's one of those things where when you're dealing with nature, sometimes you're at nature's mercy as far as when things are going to end. With mosquitoes, we have to wait for that killing frost.
Now, of course, all across southern New England, we are seeing football games being rescheduled, parks closing early. Health officials just really want to make sure you protect yourself as best as you can. Always carry bug spray, they say, and dress in layers if you can, especially at night. Reporting live in Freetown, I'm Sheena Loshuto, Eyewitness News.
Thanks, Sheena.